well and having the most incredible day as always. I've done this intro about 6 or 7 times now, and for some reason I just feel like I can't talk today. But I hope you guys are well. How are you doing? Let me know down below in the comments. And obviously, as I say every time, if you're not subscribed, please do. It would make my day. And feel free to sign up to make a YouTube account just to subscribe because it's free. I would really appreciate it. So Mum, if you're watching, I know you don't have a YouTube account, so if you want to subscribe, that'd be really great. Thanks. So the other day on the Doc Martens website, I may or may not have accidentally on purpose ordered 4 new pairs of Doc Martens. I know I have a problem and I know that it's ridiculous, but I love Doc Martens so much and there's still so many pairs that I want and it's becoming an issue. So yeah, I felt like it was only fair that I do a video unboxing these, showing you which ones I got, and I blame the Doc Martens website for releasing the Valentine's Day range because it really drew me in, and I thought if I don't buy these now, they're probably going to go out of stock. So I bought 1 pair from the Valentine's range. The other 3 I believe are all year round / not just a certain kind of time of year release. I do really want another pair of the Valentine's Day ones, so I am tempted, but I don't know. I'm not sure. I'll let you guys know if I do end up buying them, but I really want the other colour because they're so cute and I feel like I don't want to miss out. So anyway, without further ado, I'm going to stop rambling. Get yourselves a coffee or a tea or a hot chocolate or a cold beverage. I'm actually looking outside and it's such a lovely blue sunny day. I feel like it's a waste I can't go outside really, so I might go and sit in the garden, but it looks so beautiful outside. Anyway, getting distracted. I'm going to unbox these, show you what I bought. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So this is going to be in no particular order, but the first pair I'm going to share with you are the Doc Martens 2976 quads in white. Now I got these for my birthday in black and I always said that I wanted them in white. I think they look really nice with blue jeans in white. I don't know. I just really like the look of these, and now you're going to hear a lot of scrunching, so I do apologise. Bit of ASMR if you like it. Oh, these are so nice. The stuffing is really stuffed in there though. So here they are in all their glory. These are the 2976 quad Chelsea boots in white. They have a 1.5 platform and I'm obsessed. I think these in the summer with some skinny kind of blue jeans or some skinny blue shorts, no, some ripped denim blue shorts in the summer with like a band t-shirt, I just think would look so good. I cannot wait for summer. I definitely think that because I'm from England, it doesn't get that hot here in the summer. We do have some days that are maybe 34 degrees max. Maybe even then I'd still wear Docs, you know, with some shorts and like a band t-shirt. I don't know. I just really love these. I think they're so different. I do obviously have them in the black, which you guys know and have seen, I think. Did I show you them for my birthday? Yes, I did. And yeah, I'm obsessed, so I'm really glad I bought these. Price wise, these are £179, so I do feel a little bit sick that I spent a lot of money, but I did get 10% off the whole website, so it's not as bad. It still makes me feel disgusting, but it's not as bad. But yes, this is the first pair. Obsessed. So glad I bought them. Really love them. Gonna be really, really sad if they ever get dirty because they are the smooth white material, but I love them. I think they're so sick and so different, and I'm just really excited to have them in my collection. So that is the first pair of shoes. So the second pair I got were the Sinclair black patent croc embossed leather boots. Now again, I feel like I should have opened these before I started filming because now I'm gonna have to make a lot of wrestling. Bear with me. So I just checked on the website and they actually don't have the croc print ones on the Doc Martens website anymore, which I'm really sorry because I know that these are delicious and I have wanted these since about last June, so I've kind of held myself off of these for a long time, but I do have the info up for the regular Sinclair leather black platform boots and they are delightful and I do like those ones too, but I have got the white ones which I got for Christmas anyway. So they are £189, which again is expensive, but these are the shoes. Are they not like the most delicious looking crocodile black leather boots you've ever seen? Because I love them so much. I do believe they also do this style in the vegan leather, and I think they might have, they don't have the vegan leather I don't think in the Chelsea boot platforms. I might be wrong. Have a look on the website, but they definitely have a vegan Sinclair, I think. Let me have a little look a sec. Yes, they have a black kind of straight vegan Sinclair boot, so have a look on the website if you want to get a vegan pair, but these are them. I love them so much, and Again, just really glad to have them in my collection. I feel like I can't ramble on too much about each pair because this video would probably be like an hour long, but I love these so much. Like the quality of these, amazing, so nice. The next pair is a shoe, and that is the 1461 quads in smooth white. Now these are definitely a Marmite shoe. My dad thinks these are really cool, so I feel like that is definitely justifiable enough for me to buy them. So these are the shoes. I got them in white, and I definitely really want the black ones. They are in my basket at the moment, so I am tempted to get them in black because I really absolutely am obsessed with these shoes. They are definitely a Marmite shoe, like I said. Not a lot of people will like these. They are definitely considered a Frankenstein shoe, but I'm a size 3 and I'm literally 5'1", so I feel like I'm quite lucky in the sense that it doesn't make too much of a difference to my height. I'm not like an abnormally tall person, if you know what I mean. And if you are and you want these shoes, just get them anyway. But obviously for me it's not much of a difference in terms of my height because I am really short, so I am lucky in that sense. But I just really love these. They cost £150. I think I might have said that already, but they were £149, and I just love these. Again, these are going to be a bit of a nightmare to wear in because the back is so hard. I have got a pair of the normal 1461s and they are super squidgy, so it is possible to break them in. You just have to be persistent and deal with the blisters, because I'm telling you, once you've worn Doc Martens in, they are the best shoes in the world, but it does take a minute to break them in. So yeah, but I love these. These are so cool. I think they'd be great again with like a black and white outfit, or if you wanted to wear them with blue jeans in the summer. Again, really versatile. I just love them. I feel like I don't really have to justify to you guys why I've bought these. You know I'm obsessed with Doc Martens, and this is just another pair I wanted, so I bought them. So yeah, love these and I'm obsessed. And last but by no means least is the pair of Doc Martens that tipped me over the edge and made me buy all of these. And that is the Devon Heart boots in white. Now let me just check up the price on these because I actually can't remember how much I paid for them. I probably should have paid a lot more attention to spending all this money, but anyway. These ones are £189, so the same price as the Sinclair boots. These ones, oh, I just saw them and I was just like, I need these. And these are the ones that I really want in black, because I bought the white ones because I definitely prefer the white ones, but I do also really want the black ones. I am this close to buying them, I'm not gonna lie guys. I am so close to buying the black ones because these, oh, they look so good in person. Okay, let me unbox these and I'll come back to you. So these are, oh, they're so nice guys. Look at these boots. Okay, firstly they're a platform, so they're instantly a bit of me because I love platform Doc Martens so much. They're definitely more of my favourite as opposed to the kind of normal Doc Martens. I do prefer a platform, hence why all of these are platforms, but I love them all. But firstly, the platform. Secondly, I love the kind of crushed leather. Like, I prefer that to the smooth. I think it just looks a bit more worn in and it is instantly so much softer. Like, these are squidgy, which means I'm probably not going to have to really wear them in, and I love that so much for my feet because I hate wearing Doc Martens in, I'm not gonna lie. Also, the heart-shaped buckles I just think is such a beautiful touch, and I really want these in black, so please someone stop me or encourage me to buy them because I really want them in black, guys. I just think these are absolutely stunning, and I love the fact they're squishy already. It just makes such a difference when wearing them in, and oh, I love these. Again, blue jeans, like an oversized denim jacket, and love it. So these are them. It's all of this shoe's fault that I bought all 4 of these pairs, but oh, stunning guys. Just take a minute. Yeah, 10 out of 10. I love these. Are they my favourite out of the ones I bought? Probably, but I love them all. Honestly, I think every single pair here is just stunning, and I don't regret any of it, so I love these. These are so nice. Oh, yeah. 10 out of 10. Love these. So that is my Doc Martens haul video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. Yes, I spent a lot of money, but I did get 10% off because when you sign up on the website, you get a 10% off your first order. So that is what I did, and I got quite a bit of discount, so I'm really happy that I did that. But yes, now I need to find somewhere to put these on my shelves because I honestly don't know where they're gonna go. I'm running out of space and I want more, so I have a bit of a problem. So yeah, I have a Dr. Martens obsession and I've just come to terms with that now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was something a little bit different, but let me know if you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you want an in-depth review on any of these, because I will let you know down below what I think. And yeah, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you very soon. Bye guys.